Mrs. Gonzalez divided the 48 members of her class into 3 groups at a ratio of 1:2:3. How many members does the biggest group have? Okay, so this is a simple ratio and proportion problem. So we have ratio of 1:2:3. So that means these numbers 1, 2, and 3 are multiplied by same number. So let that same number be x. So therefore, we have 1x and then 2x and then we have 3x. The total is 48 members. So that means if we add this 1x plus 2x plus 3x, that is equal to 48. And then we want to find how many members does the biggest group. The biggest group is the 3x. Okay, so just solve the value of x and then after finding the value of x, find the value of 3x, the biggest group. Okay? Okay, so let's add this 1x plus 2x plus 3x, that is equal to 6x equals 48. And then just divide both sides by 6. So therefore, the value of x is equal to 48 divided by 6. That is equal to 8. So the smallest group is 8. Okay? And then the next, we have 2x. So 8 times 2, that is equal to 16. And then the biggest group is the 3x. 3x is equal to 3 times 8, that is equal to 24. So the biggest group is letter C, 24. So if we check this, 8 plus 16 plus 24, that is equal to 48. So the correct answer is letter C. Follow me for more content like this.